Hey guys, this is Alex from Chasnell, and bear with no Lego review. So, today's one is going to be on first, yeah. Yeah. Okay. So, this is the, I forgot, crane. Okay. So, I customized the character so I couldn't let you see it. Sorry, that was just my mom. She might call again. But so first, I think this can actually pick up dirt. So we have this right here, which is easy to take off. See? And it also rotates. So we have these side ones which help it move, and we have a piece sticking in there, and it rolls and it makes this move. So we have this red piece, these two red pieces in the back, and we have our little thing that makes it open up. It's supposed to be like lights on the top, but it didn't come with it. So we have our little armrest, I guess. We have our little controllers in here, and then we have our yellow piece, which it goes on. And we have a pattern right here. It's not, but it's yellow, gray, yellow. We have this little bar here. I'm really not sure what that's supposed to do, but it's pretty cool if you do that. On the bottom, this one is really not big at all. And then on the back, we have our license plate and also our lights and a light in the back. There's no lights in the front, as you can see. There's really nothing else to it, really. And the person can't fit in it. You really don't think that a person can. See, he still lost so much space because these workers wear helmets, because the really big one is the mine, so this is for mines and stuff. But anyways, bye guys, and hope you enjoy. I'll see you in the next video, the last video of today. But so, bye, people, and Yeah, bye.